This one braid is just sticking out, child.
I just want you to focus. Pull me in, pull me closer. Give me that diagnosis. Blow my mind like explosions. Just one touch leaves me helpless. On repeat like it's endless. Then she's turned to a white dress. Looks so good, damn, you did this, yeah. I just want you to.
What's up, car crew? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Courtney Janine, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, it's another wig review. But first, before we get into today's wig, if this is your first time seeing me here on the YT, don't forget to subscribe. Join the car crew family. It's lit over here. I do everything on this channel, from makeup reviews, hair reviews, tutorials, celebrity recreations, vlogs, try on hauls, the whole nine. Like, whatever you want, I got. Are you down? Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, join the notification squad, and definitely leave me a comment down below. I want to start doing like shout outs in my videos, so leave a comment, and if you do, I will shout you out in the next video to, you know, show love to my loyal subscribers, show love to the people who be tuning in. So definitely leave me a comment. Today we're reviewing another Outre unit. This one, honestly, you guys, shout out to all the people who reviewed this wig, because they got me to buy it, because the stock card, she was not giving. And I'm talking about melted hairline from Outre Breanne. Honestly, I was a little bit skeptical of this unit. One, because of the stock card. She looks pretty, but I don't know, it wasn't giving like you need this unit. After seeing it on other people, it just was giving like a very wearable everyday unit. So I'm really excited. If you are new to my channel, I have reviewed a lot of melted hairline collection wigs, and this one is nothing different. But if you are not familiar with the melted hairline collection, I will let you know the key components of this collection and of this wig. So it comes with soft HD transparent lace. With the HD transparent lace, I say this all the time, be careful, because this HD lace is really soft, like it will rip. So you don't want to make sure, you want to make sure that you're taking good care of your lace, and like when you're handling it, being very gentle, because it can rip. It has a deluxe wide lace part because it has a 2x5, so you really do have enough room to like pluck if you wanted to. It comes with a pre-attached wide elastic band for a secure fit. It doesn't really do much in my experience, but we'll see how this one holds up. I feel like some have been more snug than others. If you have a big head though, you can also cut out the elastic band so that you have a looser fit. It comes with a redesigned comfort fit ear contour, salon inspired colors, and natural baby hair. So I picked this unit up in 1B, but like I mentioned, it does come in a number of specialty colors, including chocolate swirl, which is one of my faves, ginger brown, another one of my faves, golden honey, cherry red, cinnamon mocha, and strawberry gold. So I took her out of the packaging already and put her on my mannequin head just so I can see the lace, and if I wanted to like pluck, honestly I didn't pluck much because it's giving natural already. It is a left side part, so I think it's big head friendly because it's like really loose in my head right now. But how cute is she, you guys? Like, she just looks like I just got my hair done, you know. I do wish she had like a little bump at the end, but it's cute. Wait. This is the cut. Like it's like asymmetrical, but I low-key just want to cut it a little bit so that it's just even, because you guys know I'm not the biggest fan of asymmetrical cuts, but this is just so freaking cute. It's so pretty. I'm in love. So I'm gonna give you guys the full 360, and then I will go ahead and start gluing this down and give you guys my final thoughts. Off the bat, it is a light yaki texture. It reminds me a lot of Isabella, just in a side part, which honestly that was my only con with Isabella, was the asymmetrical cut and how it was a middle part. And since it was an asymmetrical part, I wasn't really able to shift it to wear a side part. So this is kind of like my prayers being answered. But let me show you guys the sides really quickly. So this is the right side. This is the back. This is all the hair to the back, so you can kind of see how it is asymmetrical. Here is the left side. So yeah, she's really cute. I like her already. I feel like this install is going to be a breeze. To put down this wig, I'm going to use hairspray. I am using 2 different hairsprays, my faves, but if you want an in-depth how to slay a synthetic wig, I have one on my channel, so definitely check that out if you want to see like a step-by-step tutorial. But today I'm going to be using the Bedhead Hard Head Spray. This is one of my 2 faves. My top hairspray is definitely the Erica J Hold Me Down spray, but I'm not a huge fan of this applicator. Like, this is like a traditional hairspray, but this one comes out more like a squirt. I don't know how to describe it, but this one definitely has a longer hold. It's just that I like this applicator more, so I tend to use this one more. To cut my lace, I'm using 2 different things. I like to cut my lace into sections, so I have shears here, but I also, when I'm like really cutting the lace, I like to go in with Miss Squirrel right here, the eyebrow razor. And I think that's it, so I'm going to go ahead and speed through this. Oh, on the lace, I tinted it with this powder foundation. This is the MAC Studio Fix powder foundation in the shade NC50, and as you can see, it's literally blending in. So I'm going to speed through this application, but like I said before, I will have my How to Slay a Synthetic Wig up in the card, so if you're interested in seeing like a step-by-step tutorial, you can check out that video. But let's get to slaying, okay?
Don't play with us, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. Back in a better. Baby, it's whatever. Other is gripping your thigh. Gotta be sick of this night. Pull up skirt.
Okay, y'all, so I wasn't able to film an outro for this, so here are my final thoughts. Honestly, you guys, not too many cons. Honestly, I'm not a huge fan of asymmetrical. I thought I would like this just because I saw it on other people, but it's still not my fave just because of the style. I also did get a few snags, not a lot of like tangling, but snags at the end of the hair when I was brushing through. But pros are definitely this lace. You see how easy it melted. I love the yaki texture, and it's a cute style. It's just not my fave on me personally. If you like this style, I definitely recommend. I love the Melted Hairline collection units. But yeah, enjoy the rest of the styling, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Giving you a word, baby, when you get space, big gang, give me legs, baby, that's still a trait, oh, baby. Don't play with us, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. Back in a better.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hits a block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text,